a
hear your
war
protest.
profiteer.
Thank you.
Shame on you. You are a war profiteer.
I hear you.
Stop
Thank
using
you.
AI for genocide, Mustafa. Stop using AI for genocide in our region. You have blood on your hands. All of Microsoft has blood on its hands. How dare you all celebrate when Microsoft is killing children? Shame on you all.
Thank you. I hear your protest. Thank you.
I'm a Microsoft worker, and I do not consent. 50,000 Palestinians in Gaza have been murdered with Microsoft technology. How dare you? Shame on all of you for celebrating on their blood. High five with Israel. No anger for apartheid. Microsoft
All right.